Bonjour, Ms. Atvidyan. How are you all? First of all, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So we are starting with uploading the videos for the current session, 10th batch 2026-27. Okay. So let's start with the very first topic, that is keywords and hints which you have to learn les temps convenables. Okay. So if you want to learn tenses in French, the first step is to learn the keywords beta, to learn the hints or indicators, whatsoever you can say. All right. So total we have 10 tenses. Okay. And these all 10 tenses may come in a single question. Okay. So let's see the keywords one by one. The first tense is présent. Okay. Present tense. So keywords are aujourd'hui, tous les matins, tous les soirs, maintenant, en ce moment, which means now. Right. Then for the second tense, passé composé, the keywords are hier, which means yesterday, dernier, last, avant, before. Il y a plus long duration of time is passé composé. Okay. Then we have futur simple. The keywords are demain, prochain, lendemain, après. Okay. Then we have beta futur proche. The keywords are dans plus short duration of time or en or plus short duration of time. Okay. Else we have bientôt, aussitôt, immédiatement, to the suite, right away. So you have to use future proche if these keywords are given. Then we have passé récent. Now passé récent has one keyword, which is il y a plus short duration of time. See, il y a plus long duration of time is passé composé. Now how much short duration and how much long duration? If you're talking about you can say a time period of 1 to 2 hours. I have just finished this work 1 hour before. Then you have to use passé récent beta. Okay. But if you said that I have finished this work yesterday, okay, so then you have to use passé composé in that particular sentence. All right. Then we have imperative. Now, what is the keyword for imperative? Imperative has no keywords. The only thing you have to notice is there will be no subject given. For example, I have write down one statement, dash du courage, have some courage. Okay. So you can see before blank, there is no subject given. If no subject is given before the blank, you have to fill simple imperative. Okay. Then the next keyword is imparfait, which is your past continuous tense. The keywords are autrefois, auparavant, d'habitude, souvent, chaque, tout plus time or chaque plus time, chaque soir, like that. Okay. Then we have futur antérieur. The keywords of futur antérieur and plus parfait are almost same. Now how we get to know which tense to use, when to use futur antérieur and when to use plus parfait, that we will be doing in the tenses video. I will teach you tenses in the next upcoming videos, and then we are doing that. Okay, and you will get clarity. The first step is to learn keywords better if you would like to learn tenses. Then we have conditional present, and the only keyword is C. We can also call them C clause. Okay, conditional present are also known as C clause. So if C is written, you can identify that I have to fill conditional present rules. All right. So if you want to learn tenses better, start learning the keywords first. Okay. All right. See you soon. Merci.